from Berlin, Rome, and Tokyo. We have been described as a nation of weaklings. Let them repeat that now. Let them tell that to General MacArthur and his men. Let them tell that to the sailors who today are hitting hard in the far waters of the Pacific. Let them tell that to the boys in the flying fortresses. Let them tell that to the Marines. Germany, Italy, and Japan are very close to their maximum output of planes and guns and tanks and ships. The United States of America are not. Our first job then was to build up production, uninterrupted production. The light bomber, the dive bomber, torpedo plane, short-range pursuit plane, battleships, heavy cruisers, light cruisers, aircraft carriers, destroyers, and submarines, so that the nations can maintain control of the seas and attain control of the air. Not merely a slight superiority, but an overwhelming superiority.